Alright guys, check out the bars above us.
Why don't you tell them, about what you designed over here and what we have in store for
Yeah,
people?
well, in the application is a number of videos. So this is the initial one, explains to people, the first time it loads, explains to you that if you click on any of the bars, it will have a video that comes up. So you click on one of the bars that's bad, for instance, go ahead and click on one that's bad.
Your ad copy is below the rate. You know what that means.
So any of the things that you have that's bad, if it's not green, then it's bad. So on the Google goggles, you click on the bars that are bad, and a video pops up and explains to you exactly why you're bad, what you need to do to change your page and turn it to a green.
And we got some pretty cool stuff for the green ones too, right? We got like a bunch of if you know Trey, that's Trey. So we just put like random funny cool things in there.
Yeah, we try to keep it light, but it's really informative. So.
It's very informative. So we click on another one, and it's just we're praising you. We're praising you, for doing a good job. Obviously, the ones that are red, we give you advice. And then the beauty of this whole application is when you actually click this button, it says PDF report. Now, when I'm clicking it, it's actually going out and creating a custom PDF report. Now, why would people want a PDF report? I mean, obviously for their own use, but they can use it for other things too.
Yeah, if you're a consultant and you're dealing with a company, you can quickly print out a PDF and bring it to them and impress them with the data that you can show them.
So it puts the PDF onto your desktop, and what I'm going to do here is I'm going to size this for you guys so you can see it. Alright.
Yeah, so the PDF, it creates it dynamically when you press the button, and it puts in the URL. It takes a screenshot of the factors that for the page, and then a screenshot of the keywords and the ad copy that you put in. And then the next thing is it teaches you every little step in there about what you need to do for each one of those factors. And those factors are ranked. The top ones are the most important down to the least important, and that's the way it is in the chart of the Google goggles.
Yeah, obviously there's more factors, and certain ones have more weight than others. I mean, we have built this algorithm, so it's different for every website. It's so unique. So why don't we go ahead and just show them a different website?
Yeah, let's show them a good quality. So yeah.
All right, so
this is the one we had a challenge finding.
Yeah, I think what was it? Well, let's just find something for Learn Spanish.
Learn Spanish.
All right, and then I think this was actually the one that we tested.
Visual link, yeah.
We're just gonna copy and paste. I mean, we're just gonna type this in over here. Let me get rid of that. Go back to my goggles. Now all I have to do is actually click this button over here, and oops, I actually closed it. Didn't want to do that. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm actually just going to type in exactly what they have here. So it's how to learn Spanish, right? Stop learning Spanish backwards. The method determines success. It's pretty good. Wouldn't you say so?
Yeah, it's not bad.
So visuallinkspanish.com, and we'll just leave that. Again, if you have an affiliate link or something, which we like to stay away from, we don't want to do that stuff. Okay, so we'll type in Spanish, learn Spanish, Spanish online,
with travel,
socks, travel.
And just so we know, just for people that don't get what we're doing, the reason we put socks in there is to show you something that's completely unrelated to the site that should return a poor quality score, which is what you would expect, because it's not related.
So let's click that, and what it's doing, it's going to go in the goggle, and you can actually see that Spanish, Spanish Online, and Learn Spanish actually have great quality score, no matter what CTR, even at 1%. Even if you have only 0.68 or so percent CTR, you're going to get a great quality score. That means his landing page is on point. Really good. And for socks, obviously you can see it, but you still need at least 4 to 5%
just
CTR.
To get okay. Yeah.
And then 3 or so for travel.
And you're never going to get that, because if you're bidding on socks and advertising Spanish,
you're never going to get that CTR.
Never.
So let's flip the screen over and see what we got here.
Google Goggle!
So what can Visual Link Spanish do to improve their website? There's only a couple. There's not that
Yeah,
many.
they're really good actually.
So they have the ad copy, which is explained later on in our videos, and the PDF. It's the landing page. There's a couple of factors of the landing page.
Domain
The
name.
domain name and something to do with links.
Yep.
Right, so we're not going to give away everything right now. These are some of the main factors, and in some of the later videos we're actually going to.
But you can see that 90% of their stuff is good.
Yeah.
It's really good actually.
And
So-
if they were to run this, all they'd have to do is click on any one of those yellow bars, and they'd be told exactly what they need to do to fix it up.
Yeah. So that's, I think, where we should end this video. Let's talk about what we're going to talk about in the next video. And the next video is huge because we're going to actually show how internet marketers like us and you guys out there and everyone else on the whole planet, even the big guys,
This will be
on,
fun.
on what they're doing wrong with pay-per-click.
Yes.
Like, we know that a lot of these big guys, their websites are kind of simple, and they could be doing pay-per-click and building twice as big of a list. And
Yeah.
if you're making 6, why not make like 8?
Yeah, so we're going to go through everybody's pages. A lot of, well, not everybody. We're going to take 5 or 6 sites, the top gurus, and look at their sites in Google goggles and see how good their quality score is. Number 1 target, Perry Marshall. He's a big dog in the game, so we're going to look at his page. And then StomperNet. We're going to look at StomperNet.
Yeah, we're going to look at John Reese
Yeah.
and Rich Sheffrin.
Rich Sheffrin, yeah.
And we're also going to look at Frank Kern's website, and we're going to look at Mike Pilsam's website. And while we're at it, we might even check out a couple others. Some of the smaller guys, some other bigger guys. Hey, who knows what happens. The next video, we're going to show you how these websites can literally sometimes double their income. Because they can go and pay-per-click their own website and build a bigger list and sell more stuff.
And Google goggles will tell them all that. So
Yeah. That's about it. Let's wrap this video up, and we will see you in a couple days.
cool, guys.
All right, bye.